Hello everyone, my name is Anil Kumar. I am from IIT Kharagpur and I am an entrepreneur. Today I am very excited to discuss a very important concept with you all. Before starting, I want to tell you what is my dream. My dream is to have 1 billion true friends before I die. I want to see smiles on 1 billion people's faces. So that is my ultimate dream. For that dream, I choose a network marketing as my profession. I am going to tell you what is network marketing and all. But before that, I want to tell you just what is network marketing. Network marketing is the most remarkable form of free enterprise ever created in the history of the world. Before going to network marketing, I want to tell you what are the ways to earn money. See, according to Robert T. Kiyosaki, there are 4 ways of earning: employers, self-employers, business class, and investors. These are the 4 categories of people who are earning effectively. Employers means job holders, self-employers, doctors, lawyers, and shopkeepers. Business class people, Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. Investors, Warren Buffett is the best example. If we consider world's population into consideration, 95% of world's population comes under employees and self-employers, and only 5% of world's population comes under business class and investors. If we consider world's wealth into consideration, only 5% of world's wealth is with this 95% of world's population, and 95% of world's wealth is with this only 5% of world's population. The reason is very simple. See, if we are an employee, we have to work daily. Our work efficiency is just 8 hours per day. But in a business, let's take Reliance Industries as an example. In Reliance Industries, there will be job holders like us. There will be more than 1 lakh job holders. Let us say there are 1 lakh job holders, employers. Each one will be spending 8 hours per day. So, Reliance Industries work efficiency is 1 lakh into 8 lakh hours per day. This is the main reason why only this 5% of world's population are having 95% of world's wealth with them. Now, Robert T. Kiyosaki says, when this class of people goes to this class, then there will exist a financial balance. But we people don't start a business because of 4 very important reasons. First one is, we don't have knowledge regarding business. And second reason is, we are not having any experience in business. And third problem is, we are having problem of capital investment. And the fourth thing is, risk taking ability. People cannot take risks for their life. So these are the 4 problems. These are the 4 major problems to start a business. But if I show you a way without these 4 things, would it be okay for you? Obviously, it will be okay for each and every person. I am going to show you the same opportunity here. First of all, I want to tell you what is business. Business is nothing but marketing. See, this is a product. This is a product. This product is coming from manufacturer to consumer through market. That is what we call business. In this marketing, there are 2 types of markets. 2 types of marketing. One is traditional marketing, one more is network marketing. I'll tell you what is traditional marketing first, and I will explain you what is network marketing concept. So, before explaining network marketing concept, what is traditional marketing? See, in any market, there will be a manufacturer. From manufacturer, product will comes to consumer. It won't be coming directly. It will come through stages. First, that product will goes to consulting and forwarding agent. Then that product will comes to national distributor. Then the product will comes to zonal distributor, state distributor, wholesalers, and finally retailers. From this retailer, consumer will be buying the product, and through advertisements, consumer will be knowing about the product. So this is the traditional marketing structure. Let us take an example. Of Nokia mobile. Basically, Nokia mobile is from Finland. Okay. So how that product is coming to my hand? See, first that product will comes from Finland to consulting and forwarding agent. From that consulting and forwarding agent, the product will be coming to national distributor. It will comes to India. From that national distributor, it will be coming to South Zone through zonal distributor, then state distributor, wholesalers and retailers. I will be buying at retail shop. Let us suppose the Nokia mobile cost is 10,000 rupees. From this 10,000, only 30% will be manufacturing cost. Remaining 70% of profits will be shared among all these distributors. This is how a traditional marketing works. If you are a national distributor here, your profits will be, your income will be in crores, hundreds of crores. But if you want to be a national distributor first, you need to invest in hundreds of crores. But that is one of the biggest problem, biggest challenges we are facing. That is the reason why we are not choosing business as a profession. Now I am going to tell you what is network marketing. On a very simple note, I am going to discuss what is network marketing. See, same manufacturer will be there. From manufacturer, product will be coming to network marketing company. From this network marketing company, product will be going to consumer. So there are no intermediates like this. How these consumers are getting products from network marketing company means these consumers will become national distributors here indirectly. They will become national distributors here, and through word of mouth recommendation, these customers will recommend to few more customers. So through word of recommendation, this market will be going. If we consider same MRP into consideration, 30% of profits will go to manufacturer and remaining 70% of profits will be going to network marketing company, which in return will be distributed to all these consumers, because these consumers are recommending to more number of consumers. They are becoming distributors. That is the reason why this 70% of profit will be shared among consumers. I want to explain you network marketing with a very, very simple story to understand very quick and in a very good manner. See, let us suppose let's say you and I wanted to start a business, because we are having we are having free time. In that free time, we both wanted to be we both wanted to start a business. Let's say we both decided to start a restaurant. And after starting a restaurant, we are opening this restaurant in the evening, 5 p.m. after our college, and we are running it for 5 hours, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. let's say. And on the first day of our restaurant opening, let's say there were only 10 customers. After serving these 10 customers, we are taking feedback. Then, feedbacks will be two types. One type is can do better, and second type is it is awesome food. We got very good service and we got very good food. So let's say 50% chances. 5 people say you can do better, and 5 people say it is good food. We loved it. Then we are recommending to these 5 people that, sir, I am having 10 free coupons for you. You can recommend those 10 free coupons to your friends. What is happening with 10 free coupons means, if you recommend the 10 coupons to your friends or family members or relatives, we will be getting on an average of 100 rupees profit from each customer. So 10 into 100, we are getting 1000 profit. From this 1000, if you recommend this 10 free coupons to your friend, we will give you 10% profit. That is 100 rupees. Then what customer says? Obviously he says, I will recommend. Yes, that is how it works. Like these 5 people, each one will take 10 free coupons and they will recommend to their friends. On the next day or next time, our customer rate will be increasing from 10 to 5 into 10, 50. Now we have got 50 customers. And then again, after serving the best food and after giving a best service to these customers, 50 customers will again take feedback. Again, feedbacks are two types. 25 people said, let's say 25 people said you can do better, and 25 people said it is awesome food. We loved it, we enjoyed it. Again we asked giving 10 coupons to each one. So 25 into 10, 250 customers next time. Again this 250, 125 will say like you can do better, and 125 will say it is good, it is awesome, we loved it. Again 125 into 10, we got 1250. Our business is expanding rapidly. That is how a word of recommendation works. This is all about network marketing. This is how network marketing works. But in network marketing, we won't be having this type of restaurant, we won't be having this type of food, but we will be having products in our hand. What kind of products we are having means we are having FMCG products, fast consumer moving goods, and we are having healthcare products. I want to discuss what are the products we are having in our company. See, we are having more than 1000 products in our company, but I want to tell you very important 6 products. First one is 95. 95 is a wonderful health drink. This is a health drink. It is having 9 lakh ORAC values. ORAC means oxygen radical absorption capacity. What this 95 do? Actually, what is the importance of this 95? See, we are getting health problems because our immune system is very weak. That is the reason why we are getting many health problems. But this 95 health drink will boost on your immune system. It works on your immune system and it boosts on your immune system. So it can cure. This 95 is consist of 13 berries. It is having very wonderful benefits, and this 95 health drink can cure more than 250 diseases. More than 250 diseases. And many of you know Anna Hazare, right? So Anna Hazare ji is using this product, and our transport minister Nitin Gadkari ji is also using this product. And I'm having personal friends who use this product and they got amazing result. There is one friend of mine, his father is having diabetes. After using this product for 15 days, his diabetes decreased from 190 to 160. That is amazing result. That is amazing result. And we have got very good results from this 95 health drink. And this is about 95 health drink. If you want to know more about this product, I will give you a link in the last so that you can you can go through that product. And second product what we are having is Sit and Burn. The name itself says sit and burn. Sit and burn your fat. This product is one of the greatest product in the world. This is patented product. We are people are using this product to lose their weight. It will help you to lose your weight get rid of fat problems. This sit and burn can reduce your decrease your fat. Like if you are working, let's say if you are working 5 to 7 hours in gym, then you will be losing your calorie. If you take 1 sachet per day, sit and burn, the same calories will be you will be losing. That is the importance of this product. And my friend, his name is Naresh. He is using this product from last 45 days, and within 45 days he lost 8 kgs. 8 kgs, amazing. And I am having many more results out of this also. People are getting very good results. And next product is Spirulina. This is one of the amazing products we are having. Spirulina actually it helps you to replace your meal. Many people will be skipping either breakfast or lunch or dinner because they are in this busy world, they are unable to take food on right time. But if you take this Spirulina capsule 2 per day, it will boost your energy, it will give you energy. And this product is very helpful for BP, blood pressure, people who are having high blood pressure, and can control cholesterol. And within very short time, see there was a friend of mine who is having 1.5 eyesight. 1.5 eyesight. He used this product for 45 days. Within 45 days, his sight was decreased from 1.5 to 1. That is the importance of this product. He took this product on empty stomach every day for 45 days. That is again amazing thing. And I want to tell you about one more product, that is foot patch. This product actually detoxifies your toxic materials from your body. What the importance of this product is, see, every day we are going to our college or we are going to our workplace and we are again coming back, and after coming back from workplace or college, we will take bath and we'll eat and we'll sleep, right? Why we are taking bath? Because of the polluted environment. But in the same polluted environment, we'll be taking same air, like respiratory system will be spoiling our respiratory system. But what is the what is the medicine for respiratory system? Have you ever thought of it? Of course not, right? This product, foot patch, will detoxify your your toxic materials in your body. I want to tell you one very important point. For a newborn baby will be having his or her lungs in pink color. Within 6 months, because of this polluted world, this pink color is turning into brown, and again within 6 months, his or her lung from pink color to brown, again within 6 months to black. Imagine how your lungs will be. Of course, it will be very black, right? That is the reason why our lifespan decreased from 90 years to 60 years. So this product, foot patch, will help you to detoxify your toxic materials in your body. That is the importance of this product. And there is one more product. We are having more than 1,000 products, but I want to discuss 2 more products with you right now. That is blood purifier. See, again, this is very important product. Will be because of blood impurity, we are getting many problems. People will be getting acne, right? That is because of bad blood in our body, right? If you take blood purifier, it will cleanse your blood and it will make pure blood. Then you will be not getting any blood problems, problems you are facing from blood. And third thing, then sixth product what we are having is hair oil. This is amazing product. People are amazed with this product. See, hair oil is helping to it is known as one-stop solution to all hair problems. It will help you to increase your hair size, and it will reduce hair fall, and it will help you to make your hair black and everything. It is one-stop solution to each and every hair problems. These are about our problems. Now, how to become a distributor in this business? How to become a distributor? See, there are just 3 steps to become distributor in this business. First step is buy a product. And second step is use it. And third step is recommend to your friends. This is very simple. I will teach you how to recommend to your friends. We will teach you on the sponsor line. We will be teaching you how to recommend to your friends. What are the skills required to recruit your friends or family members into this business? First one is very simple buying. We will be doing all the day, every day, and we are using toothpaste and everything from our childhood itself. And the products what we are having here is all FMCG products and healthcare products. So each and every product what we are buying outside, we can buy here also, right? So after buying product, if you want to be a distributor, you need to buy worth of 7,000 rupees. You can buy less than 7,000 rupees also, but if you want to be a distributor, if you want to get profits out of it, you have to buy minimum worth of 7,000 rupees. Let's say you started this business with 7,000 rupees. Let's say you started this business with 7,000 rupees, then you will be getting one unique ID and password. So you will be having your own business center. Let's say this is you and you are having a business center. For this business center, you will be getting 2 organizations inbuilt. Organization 1 we say, and we call it as organization 2. Very simple. This is your organization 1 and this is your organization 2. Let's say you recommended 10 people here and 10 people here. Let's say you recommended 10 people here and 10 people here. Each one, let's say again, each one is buying worth of 7,000 rupees. 10 into 7,000 and 10 into 7,000. Then your turnover is 10 into 7,000. 70,000 is your turnover here, and your turnover here is 70,000 rupees. From this, matched turnover will be, from matched turnover, you will be getting 10% or as profits. 10% as profits. What is matching? If you take 1,000 from here and 1,000 from here, we will say 1,000 is matched. If you take 70,000 here and 70,000 here, then 70,000 is matched. From this 70,000 rupees, 10% will be your profit. From 70,000, 10% is 7,000 rupees. This is your profit. Now let's go to this structure in a very detailed manner. Let's say you started this business to build a very great organization. Very great organization. And you are here. This is your organization 1 and this is your organization 2. You can sponsor as many people as in your organization 1 and as many people as you can in organization 2. But you need to sponsor minimum one person here and one person here. Let's say you sponsored one friend here and you sponsored one more friend here. Then your income will be, see, let's say this friend of yours started this business with 7,000 rupees. He can start with more than 7,000 also. You can start with 8,000, 10,000, 20,000. But minimum is 7,000. Again, let's say this person started with 7,000 rupees. Then your profit will be 10% of matching turnover. This 7,000 we call it as turnover. Here we are having 7,000 turnover. Here we are having 7,000 turnover. From this matching will be 7,000. How it will be 7,000 means, see, if we take 1,000 from here and 1,000 from here, we call it as 1,000 is matched. So we can take 7,000 maximum from here and 7,000 maximum from here. So total 7,000 is matching. From this 7,000, 10% will be your profit. That is 700 rupees. After starting this business, your friend also started this business to earn money. So he will be recruiting 2 more people. So let's say he recruited 2 more friends here or family members, 2 more friends here. Then this person will be getting 700 rupees just as you got. And this person is also will be getting 700 rupees just as you got. Now the logic is you will be getting double amount because you got 2 new startups here. 2 new people started in your organization 1 and 2 new people started in organization 2. So 2 into 7,000, 14,000 and 2 into 7,000, 14,000. From this 14,000, 10% will be your profit. That is 1,400. That is your profit, your new profit. So this is how it works actually. So you got 1,400 rupees as profit. Again, this person will be sponsoring 2 more people, 2 more people, 2 more people at least. Let's say F. Again F. Now this person will get 700, this person will get 700, 700, and your friend will get 1,400, your friend will get 1,400 because he got 2 new startups here and 2 new startups here, same as with this person. Now you will be getting 2,800 rupees because here there are 4 new startups and here you got 4 new startups. In next week, let's say you are not working. Let's say you are not working because of your exams or your family problems. And let's say your friend is also not working because they are also having some problems, let's say. And this person not working and not working. Let's say here only 3 people are working and here only 2 people are working. Then new startups in this organization will be 6. Each one are sponsoring for their own profits. These 3 people sponsored 2 people for their own profits, and let's say these 2 people sponsored 2 new friends for their own profit. Now you got 6 startups here, 6 new startups here, and you got 4 new startups here. For these 6 people, you got turnover of 6 into 7,000, 42,000. and for this 4 people you got a turnover of 4 into 7,000, 28,000. Now the matching turnover will be, lower side will be matching always. Lower side will be matching always. So matching turnover will be 28,000. From this 28,000 you will be getting 10% as profit. That is 10% of 28,000 is 2,800. This is your new profit. And what is happening with remaining? If you minus 28,000, remaining will be 14,000. What will be happening with 14,000 means this 14,000 turnover will be carry forward to next week. I'll tell you what is carry forward. See, let's say in next week, in this week you got 2,800 and 14,000 is carry forward here. 14,000 is carry forward here. Let's say next week this person is also not working, this person is also not working, this person is also not working, 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 not working. Let's say. Then here only 2 people are working for their own income. You got 4 new startups here, and here 3 people are working for their own income. Then you have got 6 startups here. Here 4 startups, here 6 startups. For these 4 startups, 4 into 7,000, you got 28,000 rupees as turnover, and here you got 6 new startups. For these 6 new startups, you have got 6 into 7,000, 42,000 as turnover. 42,000 as turnover. See, you have got 28,000 turnover here in this week, but already you are having 14,000 turnover excess in the last week. So this 14,000 rupees will be added with this 28,000 rupees and 42,000 rupees. This entire 42,000 rupees will be matching with this 42,000 rupees. From that you will get 10%. That is 4,200. I think you got what is carry forward is actually. This is a carry forward system. So you don't have to worry if your organization 1 is growing faster than organization 2. This is how actually this structure works. Why this structure is designed? People will be wrongly interpreted by this structure. See, whenever you become distributor here in this business after purchasing product, the company is giving you 2 inbuilt organization only for giving income for you. See, let's say you are here and you are recommended to people like this. Let's say, then it will be difficult for company to calculate what is your actual turnover. What is your actual turnover? Further, company will be dividing your business into 2 categories, 2 organizations. It will call organization 1 and it will call organization 2. That is the reason why we are having this kind of structure. And this structure is called tree structure. This structure is helping company to give you exact compensation plan to help you that how much income you are getting. So this is about company's compensation plan. Now I want to tell you very important point in this compensation plan. In this compensation plan, let's say in first week you have got 1 startup here and 1 startup here. Let's say in first week, then your income will be 700. If you are in next week, let's say this person is getting 2 new startups, then 2 startups here and 2 startups here, your income will be 1400. Then 4, 2,800. In this way, this income will be gradually increasing. Let's say 8, 5,600, 16, 1,001, 11,200 and 32, 22,400 and 64, 44,800 and 128, 89,600, and next it will cross 1 lakh, then it will cross 2 lakhs, then it will cross 4 lakhs. But the point is here, you can earn maximum of, maximum of 2,10,000 rupees per week. This is a maximum amount you can earn in a week. This is a logic here. Let's say you built a very great strong organization within 2 years. Let's say you built an organization of 2000 people and you got 1000 or 1000 team in organization 1 and 1000 team in organization 2, let's say, and your active team is 20% here and active team is 20% here. 200 members, 200 members. If these 200 members can create 2 new people in your organization, if they can create 2 new people in an organization, then next week you will be getting 400 startups here and 400 startups here. Then your income has to be 400 into 7,000. It should be 2,80,000 rupees. But company won't give you 2,80,000 rupees. It will give only 2,10,000 rupees. This is the maximum amount you can earn in a week. If you achieve this ceiling amount, this we call it as ceiling amount. If you achieve this ceiling amount and if you are maintaining that ceiling amount for next week, you will be getting 2,10,000 rupees every week. If you achieve this, see, there are 52 weeks in 1 year. So 2.1 lakh into 52, you will be getting 1.09 lakhs 20,000. That is, you can earn 1 crore 9 lakhs 20,000 rupees in 1 year. This is the scope you are having here. You can earn 1 crore 9 lakhs 20,000 rupees within 1 year. Again, this is not that simple. This again requires very important skills. For that skills we will be learning here. And till now I told you about only one type of income. There are 5 other types of incomes. I want to discuss those 5 other types of incomes after, if you are interested. And those 4 types of incomes, 5 types of incomes, I will be telling you in next videos, right? So here, what I want to tell you here is, if you got skills, if you got recruiting skills, if you got communication skills, if you got leadership skills, you can achieve 2,10,000 rupees every week. See, to get 2,10,000 rupees for every week, you have to get skills. For that, we can support you. See, whenever you start this business, you are introduced to 2 corporations. 2 corporations. First corporation is My Lifestyle. This is the company which deals with products and income part. It will deals with the turnover, income and products. And one more corporation is Trojans. Here you will be getting complete support on skills. We will be conducting workshops. In that workshops you will be learning recruiting skills, communication skills, public speaking skills and leadership skills, time management, team management, everything we will be learning here in Trojans organization. This is a wonderful organization started by IIT Kharagpur people and I am a part of it. I am proud to say that I am a part of Trojans, and Trojans is going to create miracles in the world. This is going to help you in each and every step. On the final note, I want to tell you 5 very important points. Before closing, I want to tell you 5 very important points. Then I want to tell you how this dream is going to become reality through this industry. Right? So, first very important point I want to discuss here is security. See, if we start a business, if we select a job, let's say you are selected to a job and you are doing a job, then how much security will be having in private sector or public sector? In either ways, you have to work every day. If you are not working, means you are fired, right? So whenever you work, then only you can get paid. But in network marketing, let us say you created 100 team in organization 1 and 100 team in organization 2. And from this 100 team, let's say only 10% people are active, that is 10 people here and 10 people here. If they work for themselves, then also you are going to get profit here, that is called passive income. If you are not active in this business, then also you will be getting profits in this business. Now, I want to explain you security. What is the security you are getting if you start this business? There is the nominee facility. This is amazing facility. This amazed me like anything when I heard this first time. This is a nominee facility. Whenever you start this business, you can nominate one person from your family. It can be your father, it can be your mother, it can be your wife or husband, or it can be your children. Now, nominee facility says, let's say X person started this business, and after building for 2 years, let's say he built a team of 2,000 people. Within 2 years, he built a team of 2,000, and let's say he expired. If he expires, then also he'll be getting his income to his nominee. That means his entire generation is safe. That is very mind-blowing point I have seen in this business. That is called nominee facility. And second thing what I want to tell you here is working hours. See, you won't be having any structured working hours here. This is your wish. You can do it anywhere, everywhere. Like, it's your wish. You are the boss for your business. There will be no boss for you. So I am personally doing it just 2 hours per day. Just 2 hours per day. I'm enjoying my journey like anything. I started this business before 2 years, and my total income is more than 2.5 lakhs, and I gifted a bike to my father. I'm just a student. Right? There are many people from IIT Kharagpur who are earning more than lakhs. There is a person from my college. He is also from IIT Kharagpur. His name is Harshavardhan Raju. He started this business before 4 years and 9 months, and his total income is more than 60 lakhs. He gifted a car and flat to his parents, and he is having a bike, Harley Davidson. In next video, I will show you how he got Harley Davidson bike worth of 8 lakhs. And my friend Venu Nayak recruited me to this business. He started this business before 2 months when I started. Before me 2 months, and it's like 2 years and 2 months. His total income is more than 3.8 lakhs, and he's having Pulsar bike. He's also a student. And there is a person in my organization. He's my friend. His name is Sai Charan. His last week income is 91,000 rupees. 91,000 in a single week. His total income is more than 6.3 lakhs. He's going to gift a car to his parents. So this is how it is happening. Working hours is flexible. And third thing is protect yourself. See, if you go and ask to your friends or family people, they'll be saying some XYZ about network marketing because they don't know about network marketing. My suggestion is protect yourself. Don't discuss this opportunity with the people who are toxic to your life. Go to Google and search what is Warren Buffett saying about network marketing, what is Bill Gates saying about network marketing, what is Robert T. Kiyosaki saying about network marketing. I want to show you what is Bill Gates saying about network marketing. If you go to Google and search what is Bill Gates saying about network marketing, you will be getting this picture. In this picture, it is described as, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I will choose network marketing. And billionaire investor, Warren Buffett. This is Bill Gates and this is Warren Buffett. A billionaire, one of the world's biggest investors, he now invests in network marketing companies. And he has invested in network marketing companies. Right? And he believes in the system. And this is the person, Robert T. Kiyosaki. I started my presentation with this person. And this person, why I recommend network marketing. The network marketing industry offers many unique benefits to those who want more out of life. And this is Donald Trump. He is the mogul of real estate. In an interview, he was asked by David Letterman that what would you do if you lost everything and had to start work from scratch? Donald Trump said, without hesitation, I would find a good network marketing company and get to work. Again, the audience shouting and booming, yeah, network marketing, what you are going to do network marketing. Then he said, Donald Trump, that's why I'm sitting up here and you are all sitting out there. That is the power of network marketing. So go to Google and search what successful people are saying about network marketing. My fourth point is support system. As I already told you, we will be introduced to two corporations. One is MyLifestyle and one more is Trojans. Trojans is going to support you like anything from zero. From the very beginning of your business, it will be supporting you for each and every step. And finally, fifth point is decision making. In the moments of decision, your destiny is shaped, guys. In the moments of decision, your destiny is shaped. I'm not asking you to start this business on the spot, but I want to educate you people about network marketing. Know about network marketing. get exact information about network marketing, then get into it, you are going to have a very amazing life. Now, see, my dream is to make 1 billion friends. How it is possible? In my team, there are more than 2,800 people right now. But after a few years, this count will be increasing and increasing and increasing. I will be inspiring people like anything. In that way, I will be making 1 billion friends. That is my dream, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching.